Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. Happy New Year and welcome to 2025. Hey, I wanted to talk to you today about Jetpay, our new payment solution within Jetbuilt. It's funny because from the very beginning of Jetbuilt, and I'm talking before we even launched, we'd meet people at some of these shows where we were doing a lot of research and we were doing an initial trade show showing this beta of Jetbuilt. And a lot of people said, well, can I send a proposal and have them pay that? This has been a request that's never gone away. And for good reason. Jetbuilt has existed to help you close more projects faster. We continue to say that. It continues to be our kind of our mantra and what we're all about. Yet on the other hand, there's nothing that'll help you close your project faster. Send a proposal to someone, perhaps they're looking at it in the middle of the night, they sign that thing, but they also pay you your deposit and you get this project going that much quicker. So to that end, we did launch Jetpay over the holidays, and you can sign up for Jetpay now. If you go into company settings in your account, you'll see this Jetpay link. You can browse around, look at some more information about that, and apply for your merchant account right there. Accepting money is very easy and flexible as well. For every proposal in Jetbuilt that you send out to your clients, you can make payment not an option, or payment optional, or payment required. And you establish whatever payment you like. Perhaps it's a box sale or a change order. You make the entire project required payment. If it's a larger project, of course, it's just a small deposit you're accepting. When the client receives it, they can sign the contract and they can make their payment. And inside that project, you'll see that payment reflected. This can all be done today in Jetbuilt. What's coming shortly is the ability to take progress payments, final payments on your projects, as well as to receive the monthly, quarterly, or annual recurring payments for extended service packages you're offering your clients today within Jetbuilt. So today you can start closing projects even faster with Jetpay. Have a fantastic 2025. We will see you next time.